Hi everyone. I hope you all can hear me properly. Could you please send a message?
Yes, we can see. You can hear you, Tanuja. Good
Okay.
evening.
Okay. Good evening, Ms. Janaka. How are you? Uh, okay. First, until others join for the class. Okay. So let's discuss about the issues with regards to CostX. Okay. If you have successfully installed the CostX software, okay, please put done message. Okay, please put D message. If you haven't, please put N message. Okay, if you have any issue, please put N message. Okay, majority of you have successfully installed the software. Very good. Okay, excellent, brilliant. And Shashad Minhans has a problem. Shashad, can you share your screen? And Shashad, have you installed the previous version because you participate for the previous class as well?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah.
remember.
Actually, I installed first, uninstalled the previous one.
Have you deleted the
Yeah.
database?
I just uninstall actually from this, this app installed from there, and I
Uh-huh.
deleted.
Uh-huh.
But I don't know this database is deleted or not because I just uninstalled this from the setting only.
Okay, please share your screen.
Yeah, yeah,
I will allow you to share. Yeah, you can share. Okay, you guys can hear me properly, right? Okay. Shashad,
yeah,
you have to close your AutoCAD software.
yeah, yeah.
And,
Yeah, actually, I installed here
okay.
this
Uh,
CostX. So should I run it
uh,
or uninstall?
no, no. Go to your Windows button. Go to your Windows button and type CostX standalone. Okay, click on
Yeah,
CostX standalone. Mhm. Yeah, I think Shashad, okay,
yeah.
you have installed the network license. Okay,
No,
Uh,
no, actually, standalone.
not
I
sure.
installed the standalone, yeah. Because I watched your video where which you taught us that how to install. So I followed the same steps,
Hmm.
but I don't know this
I
it's
think
showing.
database must be the issue then. Okay, uh, you can close this.
After that, it will come. There is a message which I shared in the group that to stop this CostX core and then restart it. Running stop and restart. Even I did that from the system, but the same issue.
Yeah, I think installation issue is there. Okay, you can close this one.
Yeah,
Uh, s- yeah, your screen again. Naveen, why don't you mute? Uh, yeah, Minhas, yeah, your screen again.
yeah. Share again.
Yeah. You shared the whiteboard. You have to share the screen.
Yeah, this message coming. See?
You went to the services and restarted the CostX core, right?
Yeah.
You did it, right? Okay, I think
Yeah, I did it.
problem is regarding the database. Okay, go to your Windows button. You haven't installed, right? This is the first time. Okay, close this. Close that dialog box. Okay, now search program, add or remove program. Go to your Windows button and type add or remove program.
Yeah,
Uh,
this one?
okay, remove, uninstall. Mm, you have installed another software. Click next, next. Okay, do with cautious. Okay, don't hurry. Okay, now do you, please do you wish to keep the database? Select yes if you are unsure. Do you wish to? No. You have to click no. Previously, you haven't done that, right? I think
Yeah,
you.
maybe, maybe. That I maybe I press yes.
Yeah, yeah, that is the issue.
Yeah, maybe. Do you wish to keep the template?
No.
Yeah, that maybe that will be the issue.
Okay. Then you can install again. Okay. Then it will
Okay, okay,
perfectly
okay,
work. Okay.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Okay. We have to do small part, the plumbing part of Bluebeam review. Okay. Uh, but I will do it in the next class today. I will start the CostX software. Okay. Before you learn the CostX software, you have to have a very good understanding about the software and the interface. Okay. I will explain every function very clearly before we begin the interactive training. Okay. So this is very important. Okay. I will explain you each and every function of this CostX software. Then when you start the interactive training, you will be very comfortable with the software. Okay. Today you have to give your full focus to this lecture. Okay. Then if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay. Uh, thank you very much for your kind participation. Okay. This will change your life. Okay. I have plenty of success stories all over the world because I have trained up to now, I think, more than nearly 2,000 students, all from all over the world, not only from Sri Lanka, but also from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Philippines, okay, every from every corner of the world, UK, Australia, New Zealand, okay. So I have seen their success stories, okay. Costex helped lot of quantity surveyors to obtain job opportunities in Australia, UK, Ireland, and New Zealand. Okay, I know the value. I have seen the success stories. Therefore, you must learn the software by heart. You have to participate for every class. Okay, 2D quantification is super important. I will teach you lot of tricks during the class. Okay, you will become an exceptional CostX quantity surveyor after this lecture series. Can you speak a little bit louder, please? Sound is low. Is that so, guys?
Yes, please.
Uh, what about others? I think, Mr. Janaka, you have to volume up your computer because
I
other.
have done the maximum.
Fine here, sir. Uh, Actually, I'm speaking loudly, and my microphone also okay. And yeah, I think it's fine. I have checked. Okay, you have to bear with me. Yeah, both are doing okay. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Uh, let's continue. Okay. Now I will share my screen and I will explain things by using my presentation. Give me a moment. Okay. After a long time, we have 100 students now. Okay, so today's class will be an exceptional class. Okay, so altogether we have 168 students. Okay. Okay, CostX, today's content. Okay. Today I will introduce you the CostX software. Okay. Uh, First, the introduction to CostX. Okay, then we will learn interface of CostX software. After that, we will learn basic settings. Okay, then we will understand manual quantification. Then after that, we will understand auto quantification, then change management in CostX. After that, workbook management, then the benefits. Okay, so this class is very crucial for everyone. Okay, so please listen very carefully. Now, observe very carefully. First, we have to focus about the introduction. Okay, first we will learn history of CostX software. Okay, so this is very important. CostX has more than 20 years of history, and CostX generate software produced by an Australian company. Okay, that's why this CostX software is very popular in Australia, and CostX is very popular globally. Okay, CostX have plenty of global users. Then the importance of CostX software. After learning the CostX software, you will have great chance to get job opportunities. If you go Middle East, you will have great chance to join for Middle East company, especially consultancy firms. Companies like Atkins Rails, Gleeds, and many other companies using CostX software. Then the learning method. So we will use interactive training method to learn this CostX software. I will explain everything. After that, uh, you can put the done message. Okay, then I will go to the next part. Okay, so I will create a different atmosphere in the class. Okay, so I will help you to improve your measurement speed. Okay, after improving your measurement speed, you will uh, you can go for lot of job opportunities. Then the interface of CostX software. This is very crucial. Okay, first you can see at the top of this screen, the top bar. Okay, the top bar consists of 6 tabs: file tab, home tab, drawing tab, dimension tab, revision tab, and workbook tab. And we have dimension grouping. I will explain these dimension grouping in detail in today's session. Then after that, we will have this drawing management area and layer management area. We can import drawings and manage them efficiently in this drawing management area. Then the layer management area. So we can isolate layers and measure quantities efficiently and effectively in this layer management area. Then navigation area. We can rotate drawing, we can zoom uh, drawings and measure efficiently. Then after that, the measurement tab. Okay, so we can add dimension groups and measure quantities by using this measurement tab. We will learn this uh, very clearly in the future sessions. Then the dimension view. Okay, so we can import all the drawings to this dimension view. Then we can open drawings whenever we want and we can measure them efficiently. Then after that, we have to learn how to import uh, a drawing. Okay, then how to put them into folders. When you work in a big project, okay, you will get hundred of drawings. You have to manage those drawings in efficient and effective manner. This drawing management area will help you to manage your drawings in an efficient and effective manner. Then how to calibrate or scale the drawing. So you can use this calibrate x-axis to calibrate your drawing in an
Excuse me, sir.
efficient and effective manner. Yes,
Excuse me. Some people unable to join. Please check it.
some people enable to join.
Yeah, now only I joined. It's saying it's reached maximum participants, 100.
Okay, nah, sir. Because of you only, I
Okay,
inform.
okay. Thank you, brother.
Okay then.
Okay, okay.
Uh, who is this? Rifnas. Okay. Uh, actually, I have purchased 500 package. No.
No, I because of Nasser only I
Uh-huh.
message you.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Uh, yeah. I think my 500 package expired. I got 500 participant package for 1 month. I think it has expired. Uh, yeah, but it's okay. So they will have the recording. Okay, and this is 1 hour introductory session. Okay. Uh, After the session, I will send the recording. Then they can go through the recording and learn them all. Okay. Then interactive part will be started in the next day. Okay, so there will be no problem for them. Okay, now listen carefully. Okay, uh, I have to increase the package. Today I will purchase new one. Okay, now we have come to this level. Then the quantification method. Okay, so we have two quantification method. The first method is point method. Okay, so we can put points in the corners and we can measure quantities efficiently. Then the line method. Okay, so we can use lines and we can click on the drawing layers and measure quantities efficiently. Okay, this point method and line method is very crucial. Then after that, auto quantification. Okay, so we have some options to measure uh, similar elements. Okay, we can scan. This is similar to plan shift. We can scan elements and we can measure them efficiently and effectively. Okay, so we can use this capture function to uh, identify those elements. Okay, then the change management. This CostX software is very efficient in change management. You can compare a couple of drawings by using this CostX software. Then you can identify additions and omissions and you can prepare the variation BOQ. I will teach you every step very clearly under change management. Then the workbook management. Okay, finally, we can create a comprehensive workbook by using this CostX software. Okay, so we can extract data from Excel. Then we can convert those data into a perfect BOQ. I will teach all the things in the class. Then the benefits. This is very important. Employability. Okay, I have visited several companies and I have trained several companies in UAE. All of them have this CostX software. If you go to Cleats, okay, if you go to Delive, okay, I have trained both companies. Then Atkins, Release, okay, then Acom, okay, Turner and Townsend. Okay, so those are the reputed companies in UAE. Okay, all of them use this CostX software. Okay, if you go to developer, okay, Dubai Properties, Alda, okay, Danube, okay, all the guys using this CostX software for their cost management. Okay, many more companies. Okay, KEU is another example. Compass is another example. They have recruited plenty of my students for their Sri Lankan company and UAE company. So if you want to have a prestigious job, you must learn this software. Okay, no other option. The opportunities in UK and Middle East region, I have explained that. Okay, preparation for exams. Most of the times, okay, these companies conduct exams before they recruit you for that company. Okay, they conduct exam. If you want to face for those exams, you have to improve your measurement skill. Okay, so you have to extract every quantity in a fast manner. Okay, time is the key thing in here. Okay, you have to improve your measurement speed. I will help you to improve your measurement speed. Okay, then get ready for the future job market. Okay, uh, you can get ready for the future job market. Okay, after following this job. Okay, you have will have enough ability. Okay, then the business opportunity. If you are a veteran quantity surveyor, okay, if you up for foreign jobs, okay, if you want to uh, try for Saudi Arabia market or UAE market, okay, if you are a veteran quantity surveyor, okay, you must adopt to CostX. Okay, no other option. If you have plans, you will struggle. Okay, if you have Bluebeam, you will struggle. You must adapt to CostX software. Okay, this is very crucial. Okay, now I think you have got a very good understanding about the basics of this uh, CostX. Okay, so this is a brief introduction. Okay, now I will log into my CostX software and I will explain every feature one by one. Okay, before that, I will reply to the group. Okay. One guy is sending me a message. Milshin, you have installed the network version instead of standalone version. Okay. Milshin, can you share your screen? Let me take a look. Okay, that's why I told you to follow the video. In Milshin, can you share your screen? Then I can give you small help. Mission. Okay. I think you have installed the network license. Let me check. Still not showing. Okay. Cancel. Go to Windows button. Go to Windows button. Go to CostX standalone. Press run. I think it will work. Okay, it will work. Done, right? Milshin? Okay, right? Now it's okay. Okay. Now, please observe very carefully. This knowledge is very crucial. Okay. Mission? Okay, right? Okay. Now, observe very carefully. I will explain every function, okay, very clearly. Okay. Have a very good understanding. Okay. After this, uh, um, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. Okay, now listen very carefully. New. Okay, I will start with top. New. If you want to start a new project, you have to click on new. Okay, and you have to remember two things. You have to give the name and you have to click on this arrow and click on default project. Okay, give the name. Okay, I will give project one and I will click insert. Okay, I can start a new project. Okay, have the idea. Okay, that is enough. Okay, what is this open? If you want to open, okay, existing project, okay, you can click on open and uh, open. Okay, then if you want copy a project, okay, if you want to copy this particular project, you can go and click on copy and copy the similar project. Then if you want to delete the project, okay, you can click on delete and delete the project. Okay. Okay, I think now you have very good understanding about these four icons. Okay, if you want to merge these two projects together and create a one project, you can use this merge. Okay, then the properties. Okay, this is crucial. Okay, so you can put building codes, you can put units of measurements. Okay, you can, if you want, you can put default heights for your building. Okay, so you can change these building properties from here. Okay, then you have drawing register report and the zoning function. I will teach you comprehensively about the zoning function. You can divide your big project into zones and measure separately. Okay, so this is a complex software. Okay, you have to give your fullest commitment to this. Okay, otherwise it will be difficult for you. Okay, then if I have opened this project one, okay, if I want to close this project one, I can click close and close this project one. Okay, then there will be no project. Okay, you have to double click again to start a new project. Okay, now you have got a very good understanding about these basic settings. Okay, so this is the first area. Okay, new, open, copy, delete, merge, properties and close. Okay, this is one section. Okay, can we edit or change the project name once we create it? Actually, once you create the project name, okay, uh, it's difficult to change. Okay, the thing is you can copy and you can change. Okay, so that is one option. Okay, now these two icons. Okay, so you have to understand these two icons very clearly, because these icons will be frequently used in the coming sessions. Okay, because this is the education version. Okay, you can only import 3 projects. Okay, at once. Okay, if you want to start a new project after creating 3 projects, you have to delete one project. Before deleting, you have to export. Then if you want to uh, import those saved projects, you can use this import icon. Okay, I will explain these two separately. Okay, first I will explain you about the export function. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have exceeded my project creation limit. Okay, now I have 3 projects. Okay, this part is very crucial. Okay, now I have 3 projects. Okay, now I have 3 projects. I can't add another project. See, education license are restricted to 4 buildings. Please delete building from your database. Allow a new building to create it. Okay. Okay. Now I don't have option. I can export one of this project. Okay. I can export, clicking export, export building to EXF. Then you have to select the project. Then you can export. Export is similar to save a file. Okay. So you can save this file very easily. Okay, now I have that file. Okay, after saving that file, you can delete this one. Okay, you can delete one project from here. Okay, if you click delete, you can delete one project from here. Okay, recent project. Okay, now I have 2 projects. Okay, if I want to, if I want to reopen that saved file, okay, you can go to import and you can go to your database. Okay, then you can click open and you can import saved file. Okay, so we have to use this strategy because we are using CostX education version. Okay, I think now you have got a very good understanding about this section. Okay, first you have learned about this section, secondly you have learned about this section. Okay, then the new project. Okay, if you want to start a new project, you can click on this new project and start a new project. Okay, but currently this is education version. This new project feature not available in this education version. Okay, then project properties. Okay, so this is the icon which is dedicated to manage project properties. Okay, but this is also not available. System administration. Okay, this is very crucial. Okay, please have a very good focus on this. Okay, first I will explain about the costing. Okay, I think you know about code libraries. Okay, so uh, when we prepare BOQ, so we have codes. Okay, so you can manage codes from here. Okay, phraseologies. Okay, do you know BOQ descriptions? Okay, so you can manage BOQ descriptions from here. Rate library. Okay, so you can maintain rate library in here. Okay, then values. Okay, if you want some values to be maintained, you can use here. Okay, then the under measurement. Okay, so you can have these units of measurement. Okay, so you can have all the units available. Then standard variables. Okay, so you can uh, create formulas, understand variables. Okay, standard zones. You can divide your construction project into zones and measure separately. Okay, standard dimension groups. Okay, we will learn dimension groups in a uh, comprehensive manner in future classes. Okay, then custom quantities. Okay, So we can customize our quantities and we can measure them separately. Okay, so I think you have a brief idea about this. Okay, brief idea is enough for now. Okay, after practicing the software, you will have a very good understanding about these things. Okay, then the general. Okay, this is very important. I will tell you a practical application of this constant. Okay, when we measure reinforcement, okay, so we have uh, theoretical rate or linear density. Okay, so you can maintain linear density here. Okay, then you can use it when you measure the quantities. Okay, then you can have locations and projects. Okay, so these two functions uh, will not that much important for us for now. Okay, but when you deal with the real project, these two will come in handy. Okay, now I think you have got a very good understanding about this system administration. Okay, account part. So you can manage your account from here. Okay, but don't click anything here. Okay, so then the options. Okay, so mainly we use this option function to change our decimal places. Okay, here uh, you can change your decimal places. Okay, and here you can use for book management, estimate, spell checking. Okay, so uh, when you have free time, okay, please go through these options. Okay, then you can have a comprehensive understanding. Okay, uh, but this part, okay, the changing decimal places can be uh, used in practical manner. Okay, now you have very good understanding about the option function as well. Okay, now I will go into the software. Okay, I will double click on this one. Okay, okay, so this is a comprehensive project done by uh, actually me. Okay, so we learn all these things in the class. Okay, uh, now please have an idea. Okay, I will explain every function. Okay, then if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, then you will be more comfortable in the coming sessions. Okay, uh, as I mentioned in the beginning, okay, we have 6 steps. Okay, first I will explain you about the architecture of the software. Okay, when we develop a software, we have to con- concentrate on the software architecture. Okay, how they have developed the software, what are the strategies they have used to increase the efficiency of the software. Okay, I will show you some strategies. Okay, this is uh, very crucial. Okay, we have got a very good understanding about this file. Okay, now we have 1 2 3 4 5 tabs. Okay, I will start with home tab. Okay, please have a close look in this home tab. Okay, this home tab consists with, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 areas. Okay, first you can see the drawing area. You can open the drawing by clicking on add. Okay, then you have view area. Okay, if I open the drawing, okay, you can see this view area. You can see all layers, invert layers, file layers, reset view, rotate, zoom, extend. Okay, so these things are related to drawing management. Okay, if I explain you, okay, I will go to layers and I will click on invert layers and I will click on all layers, invert layers, all layers, invert layers, all layers. Okay, then if I click on some layers and click on invert layers, I can isolate layers. Okay, so you can manage your drawing in an efficient manner in this view area. Okay, so you have to have a thorough understanding about this view area. Then reset view, you know what is the meaning of this rotate function. Okay, then zoom, extend, zoom area. Okay, now have a very good understanding. You can manage your drawing under home. Okay, but see, you have separate tab for drawing. Okay, so this is the beauty. Okay, now understand this one. Then the measuring. Okay, so you can create dimension groups. Okay, so we will have a very good understanding about these dimension groups in our first interactive training. Okay, but now please have a basic idea. Okay, you can see this is a this is a dimension group. Okay, this 50-50 cable tray, this is a dimension group. Okay, this is the son and this is the father. Okay, folder should be father. Okay, name should be son. Okay, if if I tell you another example. Okay, you can see external wall 150, external wall 150. This is son. Okay, name is son. Okay, wall is father. Okay, folder is father. Okay, so then we can measure, after creating this we can measure quantities very easily. Okay, so this add function is very crucial. Okay, if you want to create a new dimension group, you can go with this add. Okay, and create new dimension group, and you can start your measurements. Okay, then you have properties. Okay, same. Then positive and negative quantities. Okay, positive quantities uh, means plus quantities, negative quantities means minus quantities. Okay, when you create a wall, okay, you have to use positive quantity. Okay, when you deduct doors and windows from that particular wall, you have to use these negative quantities. Okay, then you have two methods for quantification, line and point. I will briefly explain what is line and point. Okay, if I choose this uh, floor finishes, let's say bathroom. Okay, you can see I will delete this for now. Okay, I want to measure this bathroom. I can use two methods. Okay, I can measure point by point, or I can measure by using this line method. Okay, I can measure like this, line by line. Okay, this is crucial. Then after that, you can see add manual. Okay, so you can create manual dimension groups as well, but we rarely use this add manual function. Okay, and this is about measurement. Okay, now you can see we have separate tab for measurement, but we have these measuring options in our home tab also. Okay, they want you to enhance the time efficiency through this software. Then the workbook. Okay, after measuring everything, you have to create your BOQ. Okay, this is where you have to create your BOQ. Okay, see, this is where you have to create your BOQ. Okay, and double click on this. Okay, this is your BOQ. Okay, so you can import the Excel descriptions. Okay, and you can manage your BOQ right here. Okay, so this is also very important. Okay, after learning this, okay, you will be able to create a comprehensive BOQ. Okay, this is very crucial. Okay, now we are in workbook area. Okay, so we have a separate tab for workbook. Okay, still we have workbook in this home tab. Okay, because they need you to enhance the time efficiency. Okay, the formatting part is very common. Okay, this is just like Excel. Actually, CostX company have an agreement with Excel company. Okay, all the Excel features available in CostX. Okay, this is very crucial. Okay, then system administration. So you have all the options that we have discussed previously in the system administration area. Okay, now you have got a very good understanding about home. Okay, then we have different tab for drawing. Okay, under drawing we have add. Okay, we can import a drawing by using this add. Okay, I will delete this one for now. Okay, then I can add the new drawing. Okay, I can go to my local disk and I can add the drawing to this software. Okay, very easily. See, I can add the drawing. I will delete this again. Okay, then I will give you a small idea about the folder management. Folder management is very important. this revision drawing should be under revision folder. Okay, so you can create a new folder and you can save the drawing name inside. Okay, then you have drawing properties. Okay, so you can further manage this drawing and you can select the units of measurements. Okay, and you can uh, manage this drawing in an efficient and effective manner. Okay, then you have manager. Okay, here HVAC architectural, electrical, like that. These are the folders. Okay, and these are the names of the drawings. And you have this drawing manager available. Okay, and drawing sets. Okay, so you can insert drawings and you can create drawing sets. Okay, in order to further manage these drawings in an efficient and effective manner. Okay, so after measuring quantities, okay, you can create markup drawings. Okay, I will show you. This is my architectural drawing now. I will go to architecture. Okay, see, if I want to print this view, okay, I can go to report and print this view. Okay, I can download this as a PDF. Okay, so then we can send these markup drawings to our client. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, this is for quantity verification. Okay, then we can select the work area. Okay, we can set the work area and measure it separately. Okay, those features are available in this software. Okay, and we can scale drawings by using this calibrate. Okay, and we can manage layers and we can manage the view from these options, and we can change the color of the drawing by using this monochrome. Line style also we can change. Okay, line thickness. Okay, these things we can change. Okay, if you want to compare a couple of drawings and identify additions and omissions, you can use the compare function. If you want to have an instant quantity like this, you can use this measure distance. Okay, if you want to have a 3D view, okay, if you want to have a 3D view of your project, you can use this 3D view, and this is drawing cache. Okay, I think now you have a very good understanding about this drawing area. Okay, have this basic idea. This will be enough. Okay, then the dimension. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to measure something, you have to click on add. Okay, then you have to give a name and folder, and you can continue on measurement. Okay, then I have explained to you about the negative and positive measurements and line and point method. Okay, this is very crucial. Then after that, this part is very crucial. If you want to measure a big drawing, you can divide that drawing into zones and measure them separately. Okay, this is also very crucial. This rebar function is for reinforcement measurement. Okay, if you want to disappear, okay, your measured quantities, you can click on measured. Okay, if you want to check the overlaps, okay, sometimes we accidentally uh, measure one on top of another. Okay, so this software is intelligent enough to identify that. If you want to put legends, okay, at the top part of your drawing, then you can go with legend. Okay, you can add labels. Okay, and you can some markups. Okay, and if you take this, okay, uh, you can uh, your dimension when you measure something. Okay, you have to uh, every time this will pop up. Okay, therefore when you measure, please deselect this. Okay, then you can have continuous measurement. uh, then the revision function. Okay, so we will have a separate session for this revision. Okay, if I briefly explain you about this revision function, you can compare a couple of drawings by using this uh, uh, software. Okay, and you can prepare a variation BOQ. Okay, then finally this workbook option. Okay, you can generate a comprehensive BOQ by using this workbook, and you can have elemental cost planning, and you can have variation BOQ and many more formats. Okay, you can do subcontract evaluation as well. Okay, so I think now you have a basic understanding about the features and functions of this CostX software. Okay. Uh, then I will explain you about the future sessions. Okay. Uh, yes. If you,
Sorry to disturb you.
yes.
Is it possible to import PDF drawings? Because I
Yes.
saw your. Okay.
Yes. We can import PDF drawings, IFC files, AutoCAD drawings, and images as well.
Okay. Images also. Okay, okay.
Yeah. And Ali Aga, we can insert PDF drawing. Yes, we can. Can we edit or change project name once we create? I answered that. Okay. From PDF drawing, here no need to calibration to ensure the quantities are accurate. We have to calibrate after we import PDF drawings. Can we use beam model for quantification? Yes, we can. Okay, so it is very good question. Okay, so we can import Revit model to this software and we can quantify. Okay, I will quickly demonstrate uh, when you will love to learn this software. Okay, I will go to drawings and click on that. Okay, I will quickly import a beam model. Okay, recently I have done a training for cleats. Okay, I will use the same beam model. Yeah, like this we can import a beam model. Okay, within 2 minutes I will quantify this one. Okay, it's like a magic. Hi, what are the code libraries and rate libraries? Code libraries for BOQ preparation. Okay, rate libraries for rate the building. Okay, so if you go to workbook, I will show you later. Okay, after importing this, I will show you how to maintain rate libraries and how to use them for estimations. Okay, so you can see this is a 3D model. Okay, your education version is more than capable to measure 3D models. Okay, so these these are the phraseologies and dimensions and rates. Okay, you can see helper, skilled labor. Okay, labor, skilled labor, material. Okay, concrete, other steel. Like that, you can maintain rate libraries and you can drag and drop and use this for estimation. Okay. So this is a 3D model now. Okay, I will quickly go to dimension and click on import and I will click on import dimension uh, group. Okay, see this one, import dimension using beam template. Okay, then I will click on beam importer in general and click open. Okay, like that I can import all the dimensions of this beam model. Okay, then I can create a BOQ in 1 minute. Okay, see basic wall. Okay, all the quantities has been extracted within 2 minutes. Okay, like that we can extract all the quantities. Then I will go to workbook and I will click here, generate workbook from dimension groups. Okay, then I will give a name BOQ. Then I will click OK. Okay, this is my BOQ. Okay, if I go under this, I can see all the walls. Okay, then the staircase, drop B, all the quantities. Okay, if you want, you can rate. Okay, I will rate a couple of beams. Okay, I will rate this rectangular beam. Okay, so we have concrete quantity, right? Grade concrete, grade 25 concrete we have. I will rate like this. Okay, we can rate. I have rate couple of elements. Okay, then I can go here, click on print workbook report, and I'll click on this generate and preview and click OK. I can create a small BOQ like this. Okay, I only took 2 minutes to generate this one. Okay, we will learn all these things. Okay, and this is for your information, this is very inefficient method to extract quantities from this beam model. Okay, so we have more systematic method for this model mapping. We will learn this model mapping part in a comprehensive manner in the future classes. Okay, do we have to feed the rates initially? Yes, yes, very good question. Yes, we have to feed the rates. I will teach you how to feed the rates. Okay. Now I think you have a comprehensive idea and value of learning CostX. Okay, I need a regular participation. Okay, so we will start the interactive training from the next Saturday. Okay, I will increase the participant numbers to 500 in the next class. Okay, then everyone can join and learn. Okay, extremely sorry for the today's case. Okay, so uh, now I will wind up today's session. Okay, because a lot of people uh, could not be able to participate for today's class. Okay, I will share the recording as soon as possible. Then they can go through it and have this knowledge. Okay, so if you have any issue with regards to install this CostX software, please feel free to contact me anytime. If you haven't downloaded and installed the software, please do it as soon as possible so you will have the time till next Saturday. Okay. Sample drawing for workout. I have already sent all the uh, drawings and course materials in the group. Okay, you can download from there. And after you submitting the assignment, okay, after completing this course, I will ask you to submit your assignment. After submitting the assignment, okay, I will collect all the assignment, okay, and I will do a separate class for those who submit the assignment, okay, because they have shown their uh, interest uh, to further work with this CostX software, okay. Assignment submission is very crucial. Okay, based on your assignment, okay, you can go for job opportunities. People have obtained job opportunities based on their assignment, because I will print a QR code with your assignment, okay, in your certificate. Okay, uh, two Ireland companies scan that QR code and went to my students assignment and evaluated them and gave the job opportunities for them. Okay, so uh, take assignment seriously. Okay, I will send you assignment guidance video, everything. Okay, you just need to do the assignment. Okay, and submit it to me on time. Okay, after that, I will do a separate class for you. Okay, for company training. Okay, so uh, companies use several strategies to improve the efficiency of work. Okay, uh, in that special class, I will teach you some special guidance. Okay, so please keep it in your mind. Okay, so please do your assignment and submit it on time. Okay, so now I will wind up today's session. Okay, I think now you have got a very good understanding about the base of this CostX software. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask now. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. Okay, CostX class is different comparing to PlanSwift or Bluebeam. Okay, so you have to focus and you have to work hard. Okay, I will create a different atmosphere in the CostX class. Okay, no hanky panky. You have to work hard. Okay, you have to give your 100% in the CostX class. Okay, gradually you will improve your measurement speed. Okay, without improving measurement speed, uh, the CostX learning is not valuable. Okay, anyone can learn these functions. Okay, and remember those functions. No use. You have to put those functions into blood and you have to improve your measurement speed. That is the key. Otherwise, CostX training, CostX learning is uh, not enough. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night. Do we need to
Excuse
AutoCAD
me.
software to work with this? Please give me a moment. Do we need to need AutoCAD software to work with CostX? No need. Yes, Mr. Sampath.
What is the major differences between the educational license and the full license?
Major difference is major difference is full license can import any number of projects. Okay. Education license can import only 3 projects. Okay. Full license can import any number of drawings. Education license is only limited to 8 drawings. And when we create BOQs and other reports, there are some limitations in the education version. Okay. It is acceptable because cost license cost is 5,000 USD. Okay, they are giving us this education version for 15.99 USD. Okay, uh, so their purpose is to uh, uh, limit the commercial usage. Okay, sometimes people tend to use this education license for commercial for purposes. No, okay, so they are planning to limit that. So that's why they have put those limitations. Thank
It
you very
mean
much.
we familiar with education one. It will be not trouble work with the full version. Is it?
No trouble. All
Yeah.
the features are same, except of those limitations. They only limit
Okay.
the capacity. They have
Okay.
given us all the functions. Okay.
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 Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Welcome. Yeah. No need to have AutoCAD. I2W CostX and RIB cost is no same. Does any tool also limited in the education version? No, all the tools have been given. Okay. Yes. Thank you very much for your question. Okay, I need some energetic people in the Saturday class. Okay, so this will create you a lot of opportunities. Okay, if companies ask me for CostX quantity surveys, I can recommend you as well. Okay, now I have very good relation uh, with leads and companies like Dubai Properties and in near future Alda also. And I have trained a lot of people. Okay, so have great network. Can we change beam model by CostX? Yes, we can compare a couple of beam models and we can identify the differences and we can prepare variation BOQ. Very good question. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. I will conclude today's session because I need to download this and upload the recording as soon as possible. Okay. Now you have the basics. Okay. Now this is the time to uh, do the real thing. Okay. In the next class, we will do the real thing. We will start from the substructure. Okay. You have the comprehensive note with you. Okay, so be prepared with the note. Okay, in next Saturday we will start the war. If you have time, please explain my problem after this class. Actually, Mr. Janaka, I have annual general meeting discussion regarding annual general meeting of Ananda College after this session. I have to attend that because it will happen tomorrow. Okay, so if I have time after this, I will send you a message. Okay. Uh, okay. Good night. Okay. Um, let's meet next Saturday. Okay. So do well. Stay motivated. And one more thing. Uh, I will do small Revit parts after the class as well because these days some companies expecting Revit skill from quantity surveys. So as a gift, I plan to teach you some Revit after the class. Okay, okay, guys. Good night.